Let's solve this integral step by step. We need to integrate 3x to the negative 1/3 plus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 plus x to the 5/4 with respect to x. We can solve this by integrating each term separately. Let's break it into three parts. First, the integral of 3x to the negative 1/3. Second, the integral of 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. And third, the integral of x to the 5/4. Let's solve the first part. To integrate x to a power, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. So 3x to the negative 1/3 becomes 9/2 x to the 2/3. For the second part, integrating 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 gives us x to the 1/2. Let's see how. We add 1 to negative 1/2 to get positive 1/2, then divide by 1/2, which gives us 1. For the third part, integrating x to the 5/4, we add 1 to 5/4 to get 9/4, then divide by 9/4, which gives us 4/9 x to the 9/4. Now let's combine all three parts and add our constant of integration c. Our final answer is 9/2 x to the 2/3 plus x to the 1/2 plus 4/9 x to the 9/4 plus c. Let's verify our answer by differentiating it, taking the derivative of each term. 9/2 times 2/3 x to the negative 1/3 gives us 3x to the negative 1/3, 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2 from the second term, and 4/9 times 9/4 x to the 5/4 gives us x to the 5/4. The derivative of c is 0. This matches our original integrand exactly.